Alright, well, what's up, guys? So, this is my trade recap from April 14, 2026. Made a little bit over $1,000 today on the evals. This was two accounts, around $600 on both. Beautiful trade on NQ. Now, let's dive right on into it. There I am. Okay. So I started in daily time frame. This is kind of just quick glimpse every day. I just kind of saw we were disrespecting bearish, disrespected these gaps, and we're kind of just bullish on a bull run right now. It's kind of looking for these highs, these highs. Now in the 4 hour, on the 4 hour again, we were on this bullish run, had strong draws of liquidity like previous to today on this high, which we did end up getting. So again, I was still pretty bullish, bearish. It didn't really matter. Like, the bias wasn't clean on these time frames as we've just been on such a big bull run. Now the hour was the very clean for me, I'm not gonna lie. So on the hour, this is when I was still bullish. I saw these gaps. This was a condition I had too. But the 15-minute is my bread and butter. This is where everything went down. What do I mean by that? Sorry, I gotta go to like my trade, bro. Okay, so on the 15-minute, I marked out this bullish fair value gap as price around right here was trading into it already. Now, usually when we inverse this, so this was actually beautiful. Look at this. So what do we see here? We see a beautiful bullish fair value gap. Now, market opened, right? Here, let's go to that actually. Let me replay all the way to there. Replay. Start new. Bar. Where's market open? Right around here. Okay, good. So, okay. So as you can see, where does market open? Market is about to open. So as of now, this is perfect. What do we see here? These are data wick highs. This is the strongest draw on liquidity within the market. There's literally nothing stronger than this draw on liquidity. These were PPI data wick highs. How big are these? Let's see. Around 40 points. So yeah, this was my obvious fucking draw on liquidity. So now, we were tapping into this bearish gap, right? Finally see that good reaction. This condition, we could get rid of it. Didn't really matter anymore. Now what? Well, now this was actually a bullish SMT, but that didn't matter as we ended up taking it out. But that was the SMT/liquidity sweep for my trade. Now, this was that bullish 15-minute condition we have. What do we want to see? We would love to see a liquidity sweep, tap into these, inversion, long, bang. What do you see? A bunch of liquidity here. Let's fast forward one candle. Okay, so yeah, so you pretty much had this liquidity sweep here. Look sweep. Now what? Now, I don't personally have the 30-second time frame, unfortunately, yet. Not paying all that. I got to get trades here. So I didn't get to catch these here, as I did get a longer RR. But now what? Now we're seeing that we're still inversing these, but again, market doesn't open for 2 more minutes. Bang. Now, perfect. Liquidity sweep. Tapped into this gap, finally. Now we're looking for that long. Now, how could you have entered this? Let's go to the 930. So how you could have entered this was essentially a 30-second bearish gap, inversion, take that. But again, I'm on the 1 minute. Now, we see a huge clean bullish reaction here. I did get a little scared at first, as I'm going to be honest. I thought that once we got to here, we were just going to take him and I had no entry. But, beautifully, you see this. So let me mark this. This gap was a bearish fair value gap that kept getting tapped. I wanted to see this in my bias get inverse, which it did, IFEG. And now once we inverse this is my entry model. Liquidity sweep, IFEG. Goes for your daily bias. So what did I do? Well, look. I entered right here on literally this candle. So I got in right here on that candle. Stop loss. Put my stop loss on that body wick. Not really a gap again. I'm not going to put it at this swing low for like a freaking negative RR. I'm just going to put it right there, especially on a day like this. Target data wick highs, 1.4 RR. Enter this trade. Let's go. I'm in queue. I don't remember what I entered with, to be honest. It was probably around 20. Oh, shit. what was it? Let's say probably entered with like, I don't know, 13. 13. Sure, we'll say we entered with 13. Take profit, yeah, it was around there. Stop loss on this body. Yes, perfect, because we were risking 500 to make around 7. Bang. So now what? Now, pretty much got in this trade, and watch how it plays out. Let's put this on the second. I just don't have that. Ready? First candle. First candle went down a little bit, pushed up to around up 500 profit. Next candle, bang. Full TP hits, just like that. 1 minute, 35 second trade, baby. 1 minute, 35 seconds, and we made, yeah, literally $700 across 2 accounts. So almost like, $1,400 on the evals. This day was so free. If this is your strategy and you didn't take this, you are a donut. Nah, seriously, shout out Dodgy. But yes, this was just so obvious. Liquidity sweep, SMT, and then we freaking tapped into this 15-minute condition, got our inverses. How could you have taken this differently? You probably could have entered, like, I don't know, 30-second here. But yeah, and then look, price just continued to go on this bull run till we saw inversion. Oh, here, this is like a lesson. Actually, nah, this is a trade recap. But that was my trade today, April 14, 2026. And yeah, great day today.